Pam here. What if you could create paid or free lead magnets in less than 10 minutes? Would you do it? Absolutely. Well, that's what I'm going to share with you in today's tutorial of Design with Pam. Okay, so there's lots of images. The thing that I want to teach you today is that you can create a beautiful document layout with just one image. Now, I'm using Cheryl. Cheryl's already got the bundle, and so I used her as an example, and she's given me her image, and she's given me her logo, and we're going to be using her purple colors for the whole of this template so that you can see, doesn't matter what the color is, you can recolor it. Brand color, which is this one here, and I'm going to use this one and copy it. And then all we have to do is go onto the cover, and then the first color here, I'm going to change it to the new brand color like that. How easy was that? And then all I did, so I'm going to move this up here so we can see the before and after, and I'm just going to copy the text first so the rest of the document's done, and then all we have to do is the cover. So there's the color there. I'm going to make sure it's the same, so I'm going to copy that, and then all you have to do is go through the document and go on the parts that you want to change. All right, so that is it here. I want to change that. I want to change that. I want to change the lines like that, and I want to change the lines here to the same color, and those gold, and then I'll probably make the numbers purple. All right, so you just go and brand, and the thing is that if you have the template bundle, then you only have to do this once, and I also teach you how to put it into your brand kit, which is super cool as well. Quick tip, ladies, if you want to sell your design that I share with you this week as a paid lead magnet, then you can duplicate it to 100, 150 pages and add a quick video tutorial showing people how to use it, and then you can sell that. Or if you want to do it as a free lead magnet, just give them the 7 pages and they can use it however they want. Okay, so the internal pages are all done. How easy is that? Now all you have to do for the cover is I went and flipped it. So I use a flip tool, flip like that, and she didn't want to have the flowers on there because the flowers weren't part of her brand. So you can just make it as big as you like. Now to save time, I'm just going to copy the text, and then I just tweak that to be a bit bigger like that. And there is the cover all done. How easy was that? And I'll make her a little bit bigger. And there is the cover done, and then all you can do if you want some design elements on the other blank pages, like I've got here, is you take the image and you move it around the page. And then I would put it and stretch it to where I want it to be. Bring it down a bit, and then for the next one I put it on the bottom, like that. And then I put it to the back. I told you it was easy. That's that one done. And then the last one, I just wanted it to have it on the corner. Okay, and that's as simple as rotating it like you did over here. Okay, and then you just rotate it to get the angle that you want and make it as small as you like. One image recolored and the whole document is done. How simple was that? I can't wait to see what you create. So I wanted you to think of that. It was so easy to do. So if you want to design with me next week, make sure to go and grab the Deluxe Creator Vault bundle. And then next week, you'll be able to open it up and design as you watch the tutorial. I'll see you next week.